How to make specific friends can see your work on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make specific friends can see your work on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then click profile information, and now just click on your work, click this pen here and click this one, and here just click specific friends and select them and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.